Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss with you Gala assignment 2024 of Economics paper 1 section A. Section A consists of 20 MCQs of 1 mark each. So students, section A will be of 20 marks in total. You can take 20 minutes to solve this section. Students, try to remember the keywords so that you will be able to answer the MCQ quickly and correctly. Starting with the first question. For which type of distribution a diagram is drawn? Here a keyword is diagram. Students, diagrams are drawn for discontinuous distribution. Here you can remember D for diagram, D for discontinuous. Who or which type of organization presents data CDs pertaining to economic information? Organizations present data CD. Here option D is the correct one. Laboratories, research centers, government, etc. What is the value of Human Development Index? Human Development Index means HDI. Here value is asked. So value of HDI lies between 0 and 1. Students, read the question twice. Here value is asked or the maximum value is asked. If maximum value is asked, then answer should be 1. But when value is asked, it should be between 0 and 1. Here option B is the correct one. Number 4. Development is growth plus changes. Who presented this statement? Here in this question, full definition of author is not given. They have only given the gist of the definition. Definition with growth and changes. This definition is given by Gerald Mayer. So option B is the correct one. Fifth, what percentage of India's required petroleum product supply is obtained through imports? Petroleum which we are importing. We need to state the percentage of imports. So as we all know, the major part of our petroleum products have been imported. Here 70% is the correct one. So option C is the correct option. When was RBI established? Again, students, be careful while answering this question. Read it twice. RBI was established in 1935, but it was nationalized in 1949. Here, established is asked. So the correct option will be B, 1935. Seventh, as per Sanskrit language, what is the meaning of word bank? As per Sanskrit language, word bank means bandod, that is stock of money. So option C is the correct one. Eighth one, according to the annual report of 2013, which state has the highest poverty in India? Here, highest poverty is asked. So the answer should be Chhattisgarh or Odisha, whichever be given in the option. Lowest poverty is in the state of Goa. So option A is the correct one as a highest poverty. Number 9. Which scheme has been launched to protect farmers from the risk of crop failure in the agriculture sector? Regarding crop failure, risk of crop failure, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Option C is the correct one. 10th, which type of unemployment arises due to lack of effective demand? Here, unemployment due to effective demand is the keyword. Answer is a cyclical unemployment. Option D is the correct one. 11th, who presented 4 measuring rods of measuring type of unemployment? 4 measuring rods of unemployment are presented by Raj Krishna. Option B is the correct one. 12th, in which year was planning started in India? Students, planning was started in the year 1951. So option A is the correct one. 13th, under whose chairmanship was the new population policy 2000 was set up? It was set up under the chairmanship of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Option C is the correct one. Who is assigned the responsibility of completing incomplete irrigation projects in India? It was assigned to NABARD. Option B is the correct one. Which factor of production is less mobile in international trade? Again, this question you need to read it twice. Here, less mobile is asked, so labor is a correct answer. Labor is the less mobile factor of production, and entrepreneurship is the most mobile factor of production in present time. Note a mobile factor is land. 16th, how many accounts are there in the balance of payment? Students, balance of payment has two accounts, current account and capital account. So option B is the correct one. 17th, Agarbatti industry is an example of which industry? Option C is the correct one. It is an example of cottage industry with very little investment. 18th, what is public sector? Sector run by government. Option A is the correct one. 19th, when was railway started for the first time in India? Students, railway was started in the year 1853, so option C is the correct one. 20th, where were for the first time oil reserves found in India? Oil reserves were found for the first time in Assam, so option C is the correct one. Thank you, students.